Yo dudes, this is Matt V2099 and what we have here is the USFA zip gun. This is the coolest gun of all time. It's the most interesting. It gets tons of views on my channel. This is a crazy little polymer pistol that shoots 22 long rifle that is ultra operator gun. TSA spec, TSA approved. The TSA SWAT team operates with these, and I've been operating with this thing for 3 years now actually. So what we have here, I have not made a zip gun video in a long time, and well, I haven't made any videos in a long time. So now, be sure to watch every Sunday. I have videos, as long as the internet exists. I've recorded enough for quite a few Sundays, so I'm back to operating. But why haven't I been operating on YouTube? Because I've been operating these stupid things too much and other crap around my land. So I got this here chainsaw. This is an old Husqvarna I bought on Craigslist, and I've been fixing it up and switching out parts. So what we're going to do is we're going to chainsaw the zip gun. We're going to see if the chainsaw will make the zip gun work. Well, we're not going to literally chop it in half with a chainsaw, but you'll see. We're going to chainsaw this thing up. So first of all, this thing leaks bar oil, so we're going to leak bar oil all over this thing, and then we're going to chop a tree up, bury this thing in sawdust, and then we're going to operate it. We did a Glock video of doing that, and the Glock is totally gangster level. I was able to find some mini mags, some Magpul mini mags. My boy T Dizzle over at the Shizzle, who sold me the High Pizzle, hooked me up with these. My 2-box limit, he just hooked me up. Actually, no, I think he sold me like 4 boxes, and then as soon as I got mine, he instituted a 2-box limit. So thanks, T Dizzle. We got 3 clipazines, box clips loaded with the mini mags, and we're going to show you. Now, first of all, brilliant engineering on this thing. This thing looks cool. I'll give it that. So it uses a Ruger 1022 box clipazine. If you haven't seen this gun before, look at my playlist. I have a whole playlist of me operating with this thing. The last video I did was the WD-40 video, where I proved that WD-40 would make this thing run amazingly. So let's put that in there. This is the charging handle right up here, right up here, right up here. Bam! See, we're loaded. Check the chamber. This is the chamber check rod. There we go. See, we're loaded. Okay, so what you do is you hold it like this. This finger here, and this finger here. And you go like this. This, break yourself, fool! Well, what'd I do wrong? I think it's on safe or something. Yeah, see there, it has an actual safety, which sucks. Safeties on guns, on pistols, is stupid. Okay? Totally works. It's gangster level because we're using the best ammo possible. Let's get to operating with that there chainsaw. Okay, so we're gonna run this chainsaw and we're gonna leak. We're just gonna spew bar oil all over this bitch because it has a bar oil leak. Okay, so you can see there's a tremendous amount of bar oil leaked out of my chainsaw into that thing. That's why I got such a good deal on it. It leaks oil like crazy. So now that we have bar oil all over this thing, we're going to let it penetrate deep into the pores. It's going to loosen that polymer up. It's going to get in there and lubricate the machinery, the mechanisms, and this thing's going to run amazing. But now, because it's been made to run so amazing by our lubing operation, what we're going to do, we're going to chop up this here tree and we're going to cover that thing in sawdust. I mean, let's make like an anthill mound of sawdust on that thing, and then we'll see if the zip gun can triumphantly operate. We're putting these wood chips on eBay, $17 each. Save them for an all-wood economy someday. Matt V 2099 fiat currency, the Imperial Reserve, silver note. Look at our little gun here. Look at that thing, man. You think that'll operate? I don't know, dude. All right, let's give it a try. don't think anybody's ever done that to a zip gun before. Is it gonna work? I think it might explode, man, but safety is our number 1 priority. Remember, before every operation, wave the chamber flag. Say a prayer to the safety gods. Don't explode me, bro. Don't explode me, bro. Let's see if this thing works. See if it functions, see if it cycles. Operator gloves on, check. Chamber flag, check. Oh, we gotta take our safety off here. See? Red means you can shoot. Break yourself, Winnie. Wow. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? I can't. It functioned flawlessly, but I can't remove the damn thing. The clip-a-zine. The box clip. This is your best piece of gear you could possibly have as an operator knife. You can do anything and everything with it. And these CCI mini mags are proving to be just outstanding, operating in these harsh conditions. Magpul brand mini mags with a Magpul brand pistol. Okay, as you can see that, we're loaded. Let's see if we can dump another full clip-a-zine here. A little flag here. Chamber check flag. Break yourself, fool. Break yourself. Oh man, a failure. See, that's what happens when you run this thing enough. You're bound to have a failure. So where the operator knife comes in handy. And then you just hit it. See, it's stuck. It's actually stuck in the magazine. I don't think this is the gun's fault, to be honest. See, let's just pry that one out of there. It's junk. Oh, it's the gun's fault. There was already a round chamber zined. So this is just an epic fail. That happens all the time. But this was a fun little video. I hope you enjoyed it. We freshened up our zip gun by filling it with bar oil. And then we chopped up a tree on top of it. And then we successfully dumped a full clip, which is rare. It's a rare-a-zine. Is that the white My Little Pony? Is that what that is? The thing that like you never see or something? And stuff. Oh man, look at this. We got a operator. Like I see, I can't even get the clip out. I got to get this here clip out. Just think if I had a 600 round clip for this thing. Dude. This is ridiculous. I can't get this bastard out. Normally, an operator would start swearing by now. And that usually would indicate that, like once you start swearing, things go your way. No way, dude. I'm not going to give it that. Oh, there we go. Let's see if it chambers a new round-a-zine. Yes, sir. Let's do this. I just shot into my woods. I shot a tree. Okay, so once we've cleared that malfunction, it worked. Of course, the hardest part is getting the clip out. So if you're operating, it's just a one-clip gun, and you got to go to your backup, to your backup, to your backup. You better have 4 backups, or you're just a nerd. Okay, well, let's try one more clip. The key is to get that first round-a-zine to chamber a zine properly. Oh yeah. Nope, it's not going. See? It didn't load properly into the damn thing. There we go. Had to persuade it with the knife-a-zine. Break yourself, fool. Break it, break it, break it, break it. Fucking triple feed. Dude. There's like 2 rounds in the chamber. This is just shouldn't happen. Okay, so we finally got that thing chamber-zined. Let's do this. Let's shoot this bad boy. What will 22 do bowling ball? Nothing, it just bounces off. Okay, so that's a legendary zip gun operation. As you can see, that's how it goes. Sometimes you're just operating and having just a grand time, and then you really have to revert back to your training that you learned to operate a response on how to clear all these malfunctions. This is excellent training. If you want an excellent training weapon on how to clear malfunctions, this is the one for you. And sometimes it works great and it's fun. It looks cool. It's a conversation piece. Everybody who comes over will want to see it and touch it and take pictures with it and just think it's the coolest thing in the world until they shoot it. Don't let them shoot it. Unless they're a certified range safety officer, maybe they shouldn't be allowed to shoot it. But anyways, this has been another Flawless Matt V 2099 Scientific Operation, Matt V 2099 Gun Science. Check me out on Facebook. I don't really care about that. I think Instagram's a place to see me, and my other channel and all that crap. Anyways, thanks. Bye. Matt V out. Yo dudes, if you made it this far, please feel free to tell me what you thought of the video in the form of a comment. Tell me what kind of videos you want to see, what you liked or disliked about the video. Go ahead and hit that like or dislike, that helps me too. Check me out on Instagram and Facebook, and I have a second channel named Matthew James Beast. Thanks for watching, Matt V out.